This is Bill Aaron with ECS. Welcome to the ECS online store. Today, we're going to help you use and understand the services of the online store. So let's get started. The first step is going to be to click onto the online store. So click on the Shop Online Now. And at that point, it's going to bring up a screen. If you have not created an account, we need to do that first. To create an account, you're going to click on the Create Account button. The first question is going to be, are you a contractor? You can answer that. From that step, it's going to ask for your first, last name, your email address, your password, and the company name. Then click Create. This will send the information to our office so we can create an account for you to make the online store available to you 24/7. Now that we have an account set up, let's go shopping. To go shopping in the online store, let's click the Shop Online Now. From there, it will take you to the login page. At this point, you want to click the login button. You want to enter your email address. And your password. And we're into the online store. In the online store, you can purchase automatic air vents, monitoring equipment, filter kits for the nitrogen generators, or wet pipe nitrogen inerting products. In this example, let's purchase some automatic air vents. So to do that, first thing we need to do is click on the automatic air vent button. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen to show you the equipment that's available. At this point, you can determine which one is appropriate for your application. Once you've determined, you can click the View Product button, which will then take you to the screen so that you can include the quantity of devices that you're going to need for your project. At that point, once you've got the appropriate quantity, you can add it to your cart, and it will take you to a screen where you can review what's in your cart. At this point, you can add a purchase order number if you want. We do need a project name for reference. Now, at this point, you can continue shopping if you still need to shop more, or you can update the information that's in your cart, or you can move on to checkout. In this example, let's order some filter kits for our nitrogen generator. First step, click on the Filter Kits tab, which takes us to the Filter Kits screen. At this point, you want to press the View Product button. From there, you want to go to this gray bar, and at this gray bar lists all of the nitrogen generators that are available. Click on it, and it'll list them all, and you just need to determine which nitrogen generator you're getting filters for. Press it and then change the quantity to the appropriate quantity of filter kits that you need. From that point, let's add it to our cart. Once it's been added to our cart, it takes you to your cart screen. And at your cart screen, you can review the products that you have in your cart and the quantity. At this point, you can add a purchase order number if you'd like. We will need a project name for reference. If you need to continue shopping, press the Continue Shopping button. If you need to update the information that's in your cart, press the Update button. And if you're all completed and ready to check out, then press the Checkout button. On the checkout screen, we need to enter our shipping information: name, first and last, company name, along with the address, city, state, and zip code. At this point, we can also verify what is in our shopping cart that we're getting ready to purchase. Once this is complete, press the Continue Shipping Method button, and it will take you to the next screen, which then provides you with the shipping method. Our standard practice for shipping equipment is UPS ground. However, if you need it quicker, you can click the UPS second day or next day air tabs, which then will recalculate it and determine how we're shipping the information out. Once that's complete, once that's been determined, we can then continue on with the payment method. Press the payment method button. From there, it's going to take you to the credit card information that you will need to enter in order to purchase the equipment. It will also ask whether or not the billing address information is the same or if it's different. If it's different, you need to enter that information. Once all that information is complete, you can press the Pay Now button, which will then take you to a confirmation that your order is being processed, and you will receive an email with the confirmation number. If you have any questions with this, please contact us at ecscorrosion.com, or you can call us at 314-432-1377. Thank you.